On guys, today we're going to be installing a soap dispenser and a thingy-majingy to wash your cups. I've always wanted to do this install. I've seen it, so I decided, you know what, it's time to do this home improvement product. Usually I use this soap from here, right, to wash dishes or do what I got to do, but that gets kind of annoying having to refill it all the time. So we're going to install this that is going to hook up to a 1-gallon soap. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Everything you're gonna see in the video today is gonna be linked in my bio, so you can go there and find it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. All right, the first one I wanna start with is gonna be the cup washer. So this one, you get the cup and you press down and it squirts water to the inside of the cup, washing your cup. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is turn this upside down and just kind of look at it, place it right here in the corner. And that tells us right there, all right, that we need to be inside this groove right here. So we're gonna grab our pencil. For this, we're gonna be using our Easy Home wet and dry pencil. We're gonna sharpen this thing. The cool thing about this pencil is that it'll actually write on wet surfaces. And that's what we're gonna be doing today. When we go to pre-drill, we're gonna be using water. It's always good to have a nice sharp pencil. All right, we're roughly at 2 1/8. That means we're gonna be roughly right about here. I got some plumber's putty. First, we're gonna start with the small bit. I would recommend you order this online too when you order your parts. Test fitted before we remove the putty. Perfect. All right, now we can take this off. All right, now that everything is cleaned up, we're gonna remove this piece right here just to unscrew it. Now we're gonna go to the bottom, add this spacer, gasket, and then screw this back on. All right, we got it tightened all the way to the top. Now there's 2 screws on the sides. We're gonna tighten those and that should finish tightening it up. And as you can see, it's on there pretty good now. That's what we want. All right, the next step, we're gonna hook up our hose to the bottom, the same thread. We're gonna thread this on and tighten it. We're gonna grab this small T that they gave us. We're gonna hook one up to the new line and then we're gonna shut off one of the lines. I'm gonna be using the hot water. So I'm gonna shut off my hot water, disconnect this and connect my T right there to hook up to the water. So shut off the water first. You should see an arrow that tells you which way to turn it off. Just be careful when you're turning it off. You're gonna need a rag because it's gonna leak water even though you turned it off. All right, now that we got it all tightened up, we're gonna slowly turn the water back on and then we're gonna watch this to make sure there's no leaks. We're gonna leave that on there for a few minutes and just kind of watch it. And it's a good idea to come back a few days and just keep an eye on that T just to make sure we tightened it correctly. Time to test this out, moment of truth. Actually, I'm gonna take a quick break and get something to drink. That way it can be dirty. All right, we came back a few minutes and we do have a small little drop right there. So we're gonna retighten this. All right, and there we have it. Beautiful install. I'm going to be doing the soap dispenser next, but that's going to be on the next video because this is kind of already too long. So if you want to watch how to install the soap dispenser, then you'll have to follow for part 2.